Open your mouth.
Okay, Master.
Today, we're going to make a smart trash can using a 5-axis microcontroller as the control chip. The control covers 3 parts. You can open and close the trash can using infrared remote control. I can also use ultrasonic distance measurement to determine whether to open or close the trash can based on how far away something is. The third method is through a voice module, which wakes up the trash can using voice recognition to execute opening and closing. As for its drive, it uses a DC motor, a 5V DC motor. Alright, let's get started. We use C language to program the 5-axis microcontroller, dividing it into 3 functions: infrared remote control function, voice control function, and ultrasonic control function. After encapsulating the functions, they are called in the main function. Once the code is written, it is compiled, and after compiling, it is directly downloaded to the microcontroller. We switch to a simpler PCB board. Then, after a short while, we patiently waited for the newly arrived board to finally make its appearance. Alright, the PCB board has been soldered, so we can start wiring and debugging. Connect each pin of the corresponding modules one by one. Connect the modules to the 5-axis microcontroller. Put everything into the case and get ready for the experiment. Now that everything is assembled, let's test how it works. First, let's test the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, no issues. Let's see if the remote control can operate it. Let's test the voice module. Shaula.
Master, please give your command.
Open your mouth.
Okay, Master.
Close your mouth.
Okay, Master.
Okay, all done.